I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select WP Webhooks. Give here a webhook URL, so go to the WP Webhooks dashboard. Then navigate to the automation. Create flow. Give here meaning flow's name. Edit it. Choose a trigger. Webhooks. Continue. Copy the trigger URL and paste it on the integration site. Body. Send all data. Choose payload application/JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Here is an advanced feature in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Then go to your WP Webhooks site. Continue and save it. Choose data type. Get log data. Choose a log. Here is the executed data. Finish trigger. Choose an action. I am choosing WordPress. Choose an action. Create user. Continue. Now map the respective fields. Continue and save fields. Choose a data type. Fire actions. Action fired successfully. Finish action. Scroll up and set the status as active. And save it. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. It appears that the user has been created successfully in WordPress. Thanks for watching.